Hi everyone, my name is Divya and today I'm here to share how Rosh got me going on my fitness journey. When I met Rosh and I just stumbled upon her page and I found her page to be very informative. And I realized that all the symptoms that she was talking uh, about PCOS, I had all the symptoms. Actually, the first call that we had was so elaborate and she really connected and tried to really understand where I am at. She's there with you every single day, every single hour, bit by bit, step by step. First, the sleep cycle got set in, then my meals with her amazing meal plans got in line. A beautiful routine was set for me. And I'm telling you, after a month, I am at a much better place. My stress levels are almost zero. I sleep at least 7 to 8 hours every day. My meals are absolutely in line with the plans that she gives, and those plans are absolutely amazing. Every day she gives curated workout videos which can help us move our body. And to top it all off, I clock 10,000 plus steps every day, and for the past 1 week I'm clocking about 12,000 steps per day, and thanks to Rosh that I'm able to do this.